In June 2026, Bitcoin dropped from $73,000 to below $60,000 in a single week. That's a 28% crash, and most traders didn't see it coming. At the same time, ceasefire talks between the US and Iran pushed oil lower, equities bounced, and Bitcoin recovered to around $67,000. Two completely different forces moving the same asset in the same week. So what actually drives Bitcoin's price, and what's the Bitcoin price prediction for the rest of 2026? Let's break it down. 3 things hit at the same time. Spot Bitcoin ETFs saw over $2.7 billion in outflows in 2 weeks. Institutions were pulling out, not panic selling, just reducing exposure. Then Strategy, Michael Saylor's company, sold Bitcoin for the first time in years. It was only 32 Bitcoin, basically nothing compared to their 845,000 Bitcoin holdings. But the market read it as a signal, and when price broke below $65,000, leveraged positions started liquidating. One cascade triggered another. Over $1.25 billion in futures wiped out in hours. The Iran news didn't cause the crash, it just helped stop it. This is how Bitcoin works. Macro events don't set the direction, key levels do. Which brings us to the chart. Right now, Bitcoin is trading around $63,500. The most important level to watch is $60,000. This zone has been tested multiple times and held every time. Below that, the recent low sits at $59,130. If that breaks, the next area traders watch is around $53,600. On the upside, first resistance is $73,869. That's the 0.236 Fibonacci retracement level. Bitcoin lost this level on the way down. Reclaiming it on a daily close would be the first real sign of recovery. Above that, 82,000 to 85,000 is the structural resistance zone. Also note, the 200-day moving average sits at around 61,968. That's the bull-bear line. Above it, momentum shifts. Below it, sellers stay in control. 2 scenarios from here. Bullish. Bitcoin holds $60,000. Reclaims $73,869 on a daily close. Path opens toward $82,000 and higher. Bearish. $60,000 breaks with volume. Next support at $53,600. In a more extreme scenario, $50,000 to $45,000. The invalidation for the bullish case is a clean break below $59,130. The invalidation for the bearish case is a reclaim of $73,869. This is one possible scenario, not a prediction. Always manage your risk. If you want to trade this setup, here's how it looks on Margex. Bitcoin USD is available with up to ×100 leverage. Always use isolated margin. That way your risk is limited to the collateral of this position, not your full account balance. Set your stop loss below $59,130. That's your invalidation level. If Bitcoin breaks that, the trade is wrong. Exit. First take profit target, $73,869. This is not financial advice. This is one way traders can think about structuring a plan before you open a position. If you want the same breakdown for Ton Coin, it's next on the channel. Not financial advice. Always manage your risk.